Let's design an M&A deal toy together using Altrum's online store. First, you're going to navigate over to the Store tab and then head over to Products and choose a pre-designed deal toy from the Deal Toy dropdown. Once you get to this page, just take a look at the designs that we have and choose whichever one you'd like. We're going to go with this one, and then you're going to click Customize. Once you're brought over to our online design platform, you're going to have to choose between 6 different templates, whether that be debt, equity follow-on, equity IPO, M&A buy-side, M&A sell-side, or restructuring. For the purpose of this video, we're going to do M&A buy-side. Once you choose your template, you're going to zoom in, and here's where you can start replacing the default logos in the template with the logos of your transaction. You can use the upload button and choose directly from your desktop. And once you have all of your logos uploaded, you can just go ahead and get your deal text situated. As you can see here, we are moving things around, adding some new text, and changing the size of a lot of things. Using this online design platform, you have complete freedom to add as many logos as you need, add as much text as you need, change the size to whatever size you'd like. You can italicize text, bold text, you can add a color, you can add different decals. You have complete freedom to make this deal toy look however you'd like. Once you're done designing and happy where everything is, we recommend using the 3D render feature just to take a nice look at everything and ensure it's where it needs to be. Then make sure you save your design, add it to cart, and just like that, you've created an M&A deal toy using Altrum's online store.